হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আজকে নতুন একটি বিষয় নিয়ে আমরা ডিসকাস করব, সেটি হচ্ছে সোর্সেস অফ স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্যাল ডাটা, অর্থাৎ সোর্স অফ ডাটা। তো ভিউয়ার্স, প্রথমেই আমরা এই বিষয়টা নিয়ে ডিটেলস ডিসকাস করব। সো উই ডিসকাস দিস sources of statistical data is as follows. Statistical data may be collected in a variety of ways. These sources may broadly be categorized as primary source and secondary source. Data obtained from these sources are respectively called primary data and secondary data. Primary data come mainly from direct field operations, which may either be a sensors or a especially designated survey. On the other hand, secondary data are usually procured from already published or unpublished documents rather than undertaking first-hand field investigation. So, the primary data collected by an agency or organization constitute the secondary data in the hands of other agencies. So, Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics (BBS), for example, conduct occasionally survey on various aspects such as health, migration, marriage, and morbidity. Such data in their hands are regarded as primary data. They are compiling, analyzing, and preparing periodic reports on the issues. If these data are used by some other interested groups to serve their own purpose, the BBS data become secondary in nature to them. So viewers, a primary source usually has more detailed information, particularly on the procedures followed in collecting or compiling the data. A secondary source is not, however, necessarily an inferior source. In mass practical work, a secondary source is just as acceptable as a primary source. Sometimes we have no choice and must collect data ourselves, either because none is available in the form we need or because data relating to our problem are not sufficiently reliable. In general, primary data collection is comparatively expensive and time-consuming procedure. Frequently, a large number of staff has to be employed for this purpose. So viewers, আমরা দেখলাম the sources of statistical data, that is source of statistical data. তো ভিউয়ার্স, অন্য পরবর্তীতে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে আমরা এই বিষয়টি নিয়ে আরও ডিটেলস ডিসকাস করব। আজকে এ পর্যন্তই।